Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info tutorial. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable the always on display in your iPhone 17 Pro Max and customize it. At first, go to settings and now scroll down to the display and brightness. Here scroll down till you see always on display. Tap that and here you can enable or disable the always on display option just by simple tap on the option, as you can see. Here now to customize we have these three options. Show wallpaper, we can, as you can see, disable or enable that. Blur wallpaper photo, enable or disable, and show notifications, enable or disable. And now, as you can see, it's this one. If we disable, for example, these two options, which is the blur wallpaper photo and show notifications, it's like this. And apart from that, here we can disable show wallpaper. It's like this, completely black, more battery efficient. And here we can completely just disable the always on display, and it's like this, which is the most battery efficient for us. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!